And on TikTok today, hooking up my old truck. And yeah, okay. Remember what way the battery goes? I think it goes this way. Kind of. You do that. Try this one. And not that way. Opposite way. That one fits. That one fits. That's pretty fucking good. Anyways. Choke on right away. There we go. And let's crank this little thing up. I doubt it's from the start right away because the pump needs to be bled. Oh, God. And crank. Get the gas up. Come on, Ogo. Come on. That's so take it out of the heel. Nope, not the idle. Come on, Ogo. Come on. Just hold that. Stop us up here. By the way, this is fine. I do have a choke, but not hooked up. Come on, Ogo, idle. Is idle for a little bit. So I get the choke. Oh. There we go. Plugs on now. Man! Oh, I see the dots down the go. Hey! See this coat? This is my Enduro toe. It's fucking beat the shit out of it. But it still runs and drives. That one's really good. Oh yeah, I see the puff one is so cool. That's the puff one. Choke down. See this Ogo approved. Yeah. That's forward. Kind of woke. Okay, the legs need to be looked at again. Alright, come on. Show. It's so good. This one's great. I'm gonna watch the one. I got my guys over around a little bit. Rick's all kind of not working, but you don't have to worry about that. You need brakes. Come on, go. Drive. This old truck is this. I like it. And the brakes don't work that well. Yeah, the brakes needs to be looked at. I want to burn out, but my symptom right now is yeah, I had a fan now. Just have to be okay. And right now I don't have one of the brakes. In a moment. Oh, there's me when we goes. This truck is carbureted. Carbureted. One old truck running. I remove my no code. Oh, I can't hit the left. I love this truck. Just once. It was inline 6. Next toe is the Mazda. This. Why is it mint? Right, it's standard with Wrigley stick. This truck has first is up there, second, third, and overdrive.